Hello everyone, welcome to class time. Dear friends, this is the continuation of class 6 computer chapter 2 and this is part 3. And here we are going to see the 4th generation programming language. Already we have seen first, second and third. If at all you have not seen, there on top in the right corner you see the I button. You press there, from there you will find the playlist and from there you can check it out. Okay dear friends. So now let's continue with the 4th generation. 4th generation is the far more developed than the far more developed one than the second and third one. Okay, third one was already we came to know that it was easy for the people to understand. This 4th one is more close to the human being. Okay, closer to the human language. Okay, very close to the human language. Okay, almost accurately whatever we see. Because this you see, dear friends. Computer is understanding not merely the English language, it is understanding even our common languages slowly. Few of the, not of course everything, few of the language. That means it has developed so much. Okay, so that way 4th generation is more closer to human being. Now people, those who don't know English, they also can operate the computer screen with the Hindi command. People, those who do not know Hindi, they can operate the computer with the at least to instruct the computer with the voice or something else in Assamese or any other language which is installed, more or less coming closer to the human being. That is what it is trying to, and it allows multiple operations to be performed. So many operations can be performed, so many actions can be performed together. Okay, 4th generation language, programming languages allowing us that. Next one, it uses drag and drop. Okay, and touch screen support. Nowadays all of you know what is touch screen. Okay, you touch the screen and it starts operating. Okay, it receives the command. So that is what drag and drop touch screen. Okay, that is okay. Now some of the examples of 4th generation are SQL web browser. Dear friend, the book gives us some advantages and disadvantages of 4th generation. So advantages are like program friendly, okay, very friendly one, faster development, okay, contain features of the 3rd generation language and easy to maintain things. Okay, these are and next disadvantage also it needs more space to be stored, because all the converter and these things are there, many facilities, so many facilities are there. So to store all this, more storage is required. Executed at slow speed by CPU, very slow, because so many works are done together, so it is slow in speed. Okay, complex language suitable only for the business operation oriented program. Most of the languages are mostly business oriented, because computer is used mostly in business field. So language mostly it is like withdraw, bank. Okay, in the ATM it is telling us withdraw. It is not telling us in a common language take out. Okay, take out, put in, no, withdraw, deposit. The business oriented language. Okay, languages for the business used purpose, such languages are used. So it becomes quite complex for the common people also. Now dear friends, as for the question answer exercise part, the objective types I'm sharing it on the screen. Okay, you can copy down the objective types question answers. Okay, if at all you have any doubts regarding all these question answers, okay, you can comment it and I shall try my best to solve it and clarify your doubts. Okay dear friends, and we shall continue with in the next class, and till then stay safe and take care.